The court has ordered the family to immediately surrender the body of former President Lungu to the representative of the Zambia government. Sanapenda mashoko kudaita kupana pana judge from South Africa, but Edgar Lungu 6 judgment to be buried in Zambia. Chitiko chaonekwa kunzi charwadza now idzarwadza, especially my sisters aiwa pamwe chete and the wife of the late aiwa president we Zambia not subscribe or like out on the bell like tipida munawo panapa muzere modwanyi kwa mchinzi. The High Court in Pretoria has ruled in favor of the Zambian government to have the body of the late former President Edgar Lungu repatriated to his home country. South African court has ruled that Zambia's government can repatriate the body of former President Edgar Lungu and give him a state funeral despite his family's opposition. The Pretoria High Court ruled in favor of the Zambian state, which previously applied to block the family's plans to bury him privately in South Africa, where he died in June. At the time, Zambian state lawyers argued that personal wishes should not override the greater public interest. The dispute follows a long-standing feud between Lungu and his successor, President Hakainde Hichilema, with the Lungu's family saying he had indicated that Hichilema should not attend his funeral. Handing down the ruling, Judge Aubrey Ledwaba said the Zambian government was entitled to repatriate the body of the late Zambian president and ordered his family to immediately surrender it to authorities. No order was made to the cost of the urgent application following Lungu's death from an undisclosed illness at the age of 68. The family wanted to be in charge of the funeral arrangements, including the repatriation of his body, but the Zambian authorities sought to take control. The government and his family later agreed he would have a state funeral before relations broke down over the precise arrangements, prompting the family to opt for a burial in South Africa. Domashoko alipopangwa ino aiwapa nawo ya Edgar Lungu. Tuze mafunguro enyi mori kudipa msoro pe nawo iyi kuchonekwa kunzi some of the members pangwa ino pangwa opta kuti aiwa vano oppose that judgment. Bila comment section mendo za funguro enyi, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.